Let me introduce you to the R.W.FLAME G20B Gas Grill. Guys, this is the coolest little gas grill I've had in a long time. Brings me back to my younger years when all I could afford was a little gas grill, right? Burning everything. We've come a long way since then. But I digress. Let's go ahead and get to the review of the R.W.FLAME G20B Gas Grill. Y'all, if you're looking for a reliable, portable, efficient outdoor grill, the R.W.FLAME 2-burner propane gas grill might be exactly what you need. This little grill is a beast, all right? It measures 45 pounds. Compact yet powerful, perfect for backyard patios, your gardens, camping trips, all that good stuff. This bad boy has reliable heating with a total output of 16,000 BTUs. It delivers steady, high efficiency heat for fast and even cooking. The whole bottom slides out, and then there's a removable grease tray on there to keep everything nice and clean and working well. Now I can tell you I've done some burgers, some dogs, some pork chops on this bad boy, and they all turned out amazing. You gotta love an awesome grill like this one. The body of this grill is made from stainless steel, which handles high heat cooking without warping. Perfect from searing those pork chops to low and slow cooking. The grill grate's made from porcelain enamel, so it's easy to clean and designed for convenience. The cast iron baking tray is perfect for hamburgers, for pancakes. So you know you're gonna get that sizzle sizzle when you get them burgers on. This grill isn't just for backyard dinners and lunches, right? Nah, you can do some breakfast on there. That griddle is perfect for pancakes and grill up some sausage. You got a feast, y'all. The all-in-one portable grill station includes side racks that fold up and down, storage basket in front, hooks everywhere. It's on wheels, it has a thermometer, and you know it's got a bottle opener on it. Every good grill does. This grill has everything you need and then some. This is perfect for camping. It's easy, it's light, it's portable. It's great for small backyards like mine. Now basically y'all know my backyard is a pool, patio, and a bunch of grills. So a little grill like this fits in perfectly. Y'all want to get one of these powerful little grills? I'll have links down below. Make sure you check it out. Make sure you tell them CJ sent you. All right, guys, this is a very cool grill. You're gonna want to check it out. But that's about it, y'all. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.